So let's begin. Taking my needle with my floss already pre-threaded, what we want to do is come in from the back of the fabric in the top left corner of where we want to start our stitch and pull the thread all the way through. And then before we come back down on the other side, we want to use the floss to help measure so that we can get a nice straight line. So we're just going to pull the thread back through on the right side and then come up again on the left side from the back. Pull the thread through and then go down again on the right side. And to do satin stitches, you just simply complete this process again and again until you fill up the space that you want to fill.